Hello everyone. Friday's afternoon, so time for another episode of our challenge, another part of our challenge. Today we will continue the topic around resource naming convention, and today I planned to play with Azure Naming Tool, which I showed you yesterday. So let's switch into our browser. Let's start our timer, and I will go into the instruction, and I will try to run that tool somehow on my computer. Okay, it's going to be developed. Okay, so yeah, for now in our case, I will. Okay, I will not create Azure Web App using GitHub Action. But for now, I don't want to create those stuff. And maybe it can be useful if you are working on the tool for the whole organization, to generating names for whole organization. For now, I'm just playing with that tool, and I will use that for sure for running for creating kind of naming convention for our resources. Okay, so then Docker image with Podman, web app for containers, Azure Container App, and standalone site. I will choose that Docker image part. I'm using MacBook with macOS, so I have already installed on my Mac Colima to be able to run containers here. I'm not using Docker that license case. So yeah, okay, steps. Scrolling up to the left corner of the stage, click on Azure Naming Tool upon the root of the repository. Release. Okay, so I will open that as a new tab. Where are the releases? Yes, releases here. Okay, and okay, Azure Naming Tool zip. Okay, here I will have that that folder. Okay, I will show you why I cannot extract that. Oh yeah, it's already extracted. So here you can see my that Azure Naming Tool zip file unpacked. Okay, so what is the next step? Okay, extract command in the extracted folder. Okay, so here I will jump into my console where I have my console. Here it is. I will open the another downloads Azure Naming Tool. Okay, Colima status. Oh, Colima. Let's start Colima. It's installing the virtual machine under the hood. Linux virtual machine to run the container. Let's see if I will have a problem with that, architecture, because new Macs are using ARM processors, so from time to time we have problems with of architecture of image. But yeah, okay, and run. Okay, I will put that command here, docker build. Okay, it's something. Okay, running, installing. Maybe I will align that. Okay. So it's building the container, building the image, I would say. Okay, maybe we can look what is in the repository. Here, code, some Docker file. Okay, we have the Docker file for build. Okay. Okay. And what's next? Run. Okay, the Docker. Mount new source. Okay, app settings. Okay. For any, okay, you might see data. Okay. So let's try to run that, and localhost 8081. Okay, maybe let's open that in another tab. Oh no, another tab. Global password. Okay. For now, I will use kind of simple password to forget to remember. Okay. 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 I will make that a little bit smaller. This is the admin page of our tool. We used this by Azure users, Cloud Adoption Framework. Okay. Includes an API. Okay, so you can expose that tool within your environment. So you can create, for example, that website on Azure App Service, whatever, and then you can expose that service within your environment, enterprise environment, and users can just use the tool for generating the names of for their resources. Okay. Each page of the site contains a link that will open contextual instruction for the current page. Configuration. The configuration page provides all the data that makes okay. For those resource type or the short name option. Okay. Example of each Azure resource type using defined naming convention. There's the excellent naming components. Oh. So we have kind of logging functionality. Okay, admin. No, I don't want to save my password. Access key for API. We can integrate with some entity provider, so we can integrate that, for example, with for example, with Azure Active Directory, which is nice. Okay. Resource type editing. Okay, we can enable auto increment resource instance. Okay. Admin log. Okay, it's the log. Okay, configuration. So, in depths. Okay, instance location, environments, functions, project app services, delimiters. Okay, dash is a delimiter. Okay, I will leave the default values. Functions, sample function. I don't want to, I think, that functions. I think Okay, we switched. Okay. And here we have, okay, generated names logs. Okay. Okay, so we have using. Okay, so in our case, we will key vault. We will need function app service app configuration too. Application insights. Maybe plan. Yes. What's more? Configuration resource group. Okay. So resource group insights function service bus. Those are the suffixes which I showed you, suffixes slash prefixes. Here, naming. I don't remember if I showed you, to be honest. No, I haven't showed you. Abbreviations. So here, in abbreviations, you have examples to, let's say, mark type of resource with the with kind of abbreviation. And here we have just a list of those suffixes or prefixes. Okay, service bus, app service, what we have more? A storage account, okay. Storage, the storage account. Okay, function environment, development, location. Okay, so in configuration, locations. Yes. I would keep just Poland Central. Okay. West Europe as an example. And North Europe. North Europe. Still 6 minutes. Okay, I can't mark. Okay. it takes so long time, so I will keep that as it is. Okay, click export. Organization, so yeah, I will add enterprise IT, EIT. I will remove that sample one. Project VM start stop VMS VM okay, VM okay, VMS, like VM switcher, resource types, okay, unit depths, organization. So okay, because it's organization, as an organization at all. Okay, to global configuration. So here our unit will be enterprise IT. IT. I will remove that, and our organization will be my company. My co. Okay, and I can export my JSON file. Let me look on my download files. So I will jump into our repository, and here I will add new folder src and naming naming convention, and here I will put that JSON file with our configuration. So yeah, you can see that it's JSON file with configuration of the tool. So for the future, if I will restart the container, I will be able to restore my configuration from this file. Okay. Okay. As we have 1 minute, then I will add that comment here. First with abbreviations. Okay. Azure Naming Tool. Installation. Documentation. container. There. Okay. Here. Okay. So for today, that's it. I think, yeah, we are out of time. And tomorrow we will continue playing with that tool. So status git add readme and src git commit for Azure Naming Tool. Git push. In general, it should be stored in some repository, some central repository managed by Cloud Center of Excellence team and so on. So yeah, but for now, in our case, I will keep everything in a single repository to give you everything in one place. So yeah, basically we have that documentation here. Some links, abbreviations, I added those abbreviations, and I added the information about global config JSON file, and here you have that source. So for today, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment with proposals, with whatever you would like to see in my videos, or you can create always the pull requests, whatever you would like to do. And that's it. See you tomorrow with another part of playing with Azure Naming Tool. See you tomorrow.